Welcome to my channel. Today we will discover together the benefits and drawbacks of matcha tea.
Benefits of matcha drink. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Matcha contains high levels of catechins, particularly egg, which help combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. 2. Enhanced focus and mental clarity. The combination of caffeine and L-theanine in matcha promotes alertness while reducing jitters, leading to sustained concentration. 3. Boosts metabolism. Matcha can aid in weight management by increasing thermogenesis and fat oxidation. 4. Supports detoxification. The chlorophyll in matcha helps detoxify the body by removing heavy metals and toxins. 5. Provides vitamins and minerals. It is a source of vitamins A, C, E, K, and minerals like magnesium and potassium. 6. Potential heart health benefits. Regular consumption may help lower LDL cholesterol and improve cardiovascular health. Drawbacks of matcha drink. 1. Caffeine content. The caffeine level can cause insomnia, increased heart rate, or nervousness in sensitive individuals, especially if consumed in excess. 2. Potential contaminants. Since matcha is grown in soil, it may contain trace amounts of pesticides or heavy metals if not sourced from reputable producers. 3. Cost. High-quality matcha can be expensive compared to other tea or coffee options. 4. Taste profile. Some people find matcha's earthy, bitter flavor unappealing, which may deter regular consumption. 5. Digestive issues. Excessive intake might lead to stomach upset or nausea in some individuals. 6. Allergic reactions. Rarely, some may experience allergic responses or sensitivities. Summary: matcha drinks offer numerous health benefits, including antioxidant support and mental alertness, but should be consumed in moderation due to caffeine content and sourcing considerations. Choosing high-quality, organic matcha can maximize benefits while minimizing potential drawbacks. How to prepare matcha. 1. Gather your tools and ingredients. High-quality matcha powder, about 1-2 teaspoons, a chasen bamboo whisk or a small electric frother, a chashaku bamboo scoop or teaspoon, a tea bowl, chawan or a cup, hot water not boiling, ideally around 175 degrees F or 80 degrees C. 2. Sift the matcha powder. Use a small sieve to sift 1-2 teaspoons of matcha into your bowl or cup. This prevents clumping. 3. Add hot water. Pour about 2 ounces, 60 ml of hot water over the sifted matcha. 4. Whisk until frothy. Using the chasen or a frother, briskly whisk the mixture in a W or zigzag motion until it becomes frothy with a thin layer of bubbles on top. 5. Enjoy. Sip immediately to enjoy the fresh flavor and vibrant green color. Recommended daily amount, typically 1 to 2 teaspoons of matcha per day, roughly 1-2 grams, is considered a moderate amount for most people. This provides about 70 mg of caffeine per serving, which is less than a cup of coffee but enough for a gentle boost. For those sensitive to caffeine, starting with a smaller amount, like 1-2 teaspoon, and monitoring your response is advisable. Notes: because matcha contains caffeine and antioxidants, moderate consumption can be beneficial. It's best to avoid excessive intake, more than 3-4 teaspoons daily, as high caffeine consumption may lead to side effects like insomnia, jitteriness, or increased heart rate. Consult with a healthcare provider if you are pregnant, nursing, or have health conditions. In summary, prepare matcha by sifting the powder, adding hot water, and whisking until frothy. A typical daily amount is about 1-2 teaspoons, but individual tolerance varies. How to prepare matcha. Get your equipment and ingredients. High-quality matcha powder, about 1-2 teaspoons, bamboo whisk, chasen or small electric whisk, bamboo scoop, chachako or teaspoon, tea bowl, chawan or mug, hot water not boiling, ideally around 80 degrees C. 2. Sift the matcha powder. Use a small sieve to sift 1-2 teaspoons of matcha into the bowl or mug. This prevents clumping. 3. Add the hot water. Pour about 60 ml of hot water over the sifted matcha. 4. Whisk until frothy using a whisk or whisk. Whisk the mixture quickly in a zigzag or W-shaped motion until it becomes frothy with a thin layer of bubbles on the surface. Recommended daily intake generally 1 to 2 teaspoons of matcha per day, about 1-2 grams, is considered a moderate amount for most people. This provides about 70 mg of caffeine per serving, which is less than a cup of coffee but enough for a mild boost. For those sensitive to caffeine, it is advisable to start with a smaller amount, such as half a teaspoon, and monitor your body's reaction.